Today we are making a Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer Cake, and we are making him out of mini vanilla wafers. Welcome back to Shelley's Bakes Cakes. To get started on our Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer Cake, I just have a green buttercream frosted cake here. To make that cute reindeer, we are going to use mini vanilla wafers. I'm excited to see how this cake comes out. I just had this idea and I was like, okay, we're gonna try it and we'll see how it goes. I have my cake frosted and now I've just picked out the best looking little mini vanilla wafers that I could find, and we're just gonna start sticking them randomly onto this cake. Just kind of stick them wherever you guys want. Just go for it, stick on those vanilla wafers. Now it needs to look like Rudolph, so we're gonna start piping. I have here with me my Wilton tip number 3. It's just tiny, tiny little circle. Just tiny, because we're gonna make his eyes. We're also gonna use the number 3 to make our antlers on our cute reindeer. And we're gonna pipe his nose with our Wilton 12. It's time to pipe on our mini vanilla wafers. And like I said, I'm using my number 3 and I just put some black buttercream right in my piping bag. And we're just gonna pipe out 2 little dots right onto these vanilla wafers. Just keep piping. I usually do all of the eyes and then we'll do the nose and then we'll do the antlers, because you don't want to put the buttercream into your bags too early or else it will just be melty. So we're just doing one color at a time. Now I have my number 12 tip and I filled the bag with red buttercream because we have to make Rudolph's red nose. Just gonna pipe a little bit of red on these NILLA wafers. Starting to look kind of reindeerish, but really they kind of look like clowns or something right now. Oh, okay, we're gonna do better here. All right, now I've got my number 3 again, and we are going to start just piping some cute reindeer antlers. They don't have to be perfect, just start piping away, and we're gonna make this look like a reindeer. I feel like they're looking more reindeerish. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer on your cake. But to make them a little bit more, Rudolph style, I have some red edible glitter. I'm just gonna put it on these red noses because Rudolph's nose glows, so we're gonna make them shine. There you have it. We have Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeers on our cake. Just finish your Rudolph cake off any way that you want. I just put some buttercream on these sugar cones and then I covered them with that edible glitter. So we have shiny trees. And then I'm just gonna put this cute little cake topper right next to these sparkly trees. I'm gonna put a few sprinkles around the bottom and then I'll put some sprinkles on just wherever, because you know I love my sprinkles. Thanks so much for watching as we made a Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer Cake out of NILLA wafers, mini NILLA wafers to be exact. Make sure and subscribe to my channel and have a holly jolly day.